You see this question on a math test. Your geometry grade is writing on it. Can you solve it? The area of the two combined triangles is 612. What is the area of the red triangle? I've done a question like this before where one side was different. This time two sides are. Here the whole is 0.9k. People try to solve for k. Don't do that. Don't bother with that. What you want to do is think 0.5, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4. So the red is 5/9 here. And here it is going to be half. So the dimensions are half and 5/9. You do 5/9 times half, and you get 5/18. So the area of the red is going to be 5/18 the area of the whole thing. So you multiply that by 612. 5/18 times 612, and that gives you 170. Beautiful, clean number. Great concept to know for geometry and more.